Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Couldn't get my glove on, so forget the gloves today. We're gonna do a bloom, just a small 8 by 10. And I'm gonna start with Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose, Quin Rose, beautiful color. Then Amsterdam's Carmine Red. And then we have 24 karat gold. Okay. Oh, I already put my pillow on. So let's just get to it. I'm gonna do flowers in a garden. It's hard to do small flowers, I find, but I'm gonna try. I started off doing them small and then I got bigger and it's hard to go back. Okay, that was the Quin Rose. Here is the Carmine. And then 24 karat gold. Just in the middle. Beautiful colors. But I'm gonna start with our green. I have a custom, just a pretty green. So let's do those. Most of the green will come off, and that's fine. And a little bit of, this is Deco Art Festive Green, metallic. I sure made these green puddles bigger than normal. And I will be using, let's see, Payne's Gray. But we're kind of scooting off center, so let's get back a little bit. Okay. Let me pop some bubbles. All right, Payne's Gray. Just a little bit in each one. On the edge so I can blow it in the opposite direction. And I'll be using the world's smallest little blow dryer. Okay, now let's work on our bloom. Only a little of the leaves will end up showing, especially since I made these so big. I tried not to. Let's see. I'm almost out of my oxide black, so I'll go with the Payne's Gray. Here we go. Don't want that. Well, I definitely don't like that there. Definitely have to pull some color through. So I'm putting a little bit on the paint color on the tip. Well, I don't know. What can I say? All right, let's go for the next bloom. I'm having a hard time not digging into the pillow paint. I wonder if I can just kind of... No. Let's see. Oh well. Oh well. I'm wondering if I spin out my paint a little bit before, instead of having such a thick puddle of paint with this blow dryer, or maybe if I use my attachment, it might not do so much of what it's doing. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see. I wonder if I can mix a few colors. Mix the gold and the pink. And then little vines where I can. Let me finish up with the flower first. Okay. Okay, so there's a lot of gold in there, a lot more than I thought would be showing up. And so let's see how this is when we spin it out. It's a little dot here. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. Even where I messed up. But it is off center, so let's see if we can get it to move a little this way. And before I spin any more, wipe my hand here. I go through baby wipes so much. I have some towels that are like old kitchen rags I use, but I forgot to get one. So, like I don't like this dark green, so I gotta break it up. That might spin off. But this. Trying to. Okay, we got to do some more spinning. Oh, that's looking really pretty. I don't think my camera's quite straight. Let me fix that. Okay. See, I don't like that. The flowers are, the bloom is beautiful. I wonder if I can. I'm afraid to. Have to spin some of that off. I think I am looking at the canvas there, so Beautiful. Love the colors. All right, those are pretty. Even with the mess up I did here, who would know, right? Only you, because you watched me mess it up and try to fix it and fail and then just spin it out. I like that color combination though. The gold definitely spread out. All right, my friends, I'm gonna get you down for a close-up and pop a few bubbles, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you. God be with you. Have a good night or a good day.